If you're struggling to find profitable products for eBay dropshipping, it's probably not because they do not exist. It's most likely that you're looking in the wrong places. Most beginners spend hours listing random items, hoping something sticks, only to wake up the next morning with zero sales and no clear idea why. The issue usually isn't effort, it's direction. I'm going to show you exactly how I find top-selling products that are already proven to sell on eBay with zero guesswork. We are going to build a winning store today. Let's dive in. At its core, the method that we use is called piggybacking. The logic is simple. If somebody is already successfully dropshipping a product from Amazon onto eBay, it means two things. One, the product sells consistently on eBay, and two, Amazon works perfectly as a reliable supplier for it. A lot of beginners ask, why would anyone buy it for more money on eBay? And trust me, they do. Whether they have eBay gift cards or they just trust the platform more, it happens every single second. We do not ask why, we just take the profit. Instead of guessing, we're simply piggybacking off sellers who are already making money. So how do we find them? First, we always start on Amazon. But here is the secret. Do not use Amazon bestsellers list. That is where 99% of lazy beginners go, and the competition is absolutely terrible. Instead, search for specific product categories to uncover low competition winners. Things like home improvements, automotive, gadgets or tool sets. And when I search for a product, I follow three strict rules. First, it must be between $10 and $40. But why? Because this is the impulse buy zone. People do not overthink a $30 purchase. Second, it must have around 100 reviews. This guarantees the item is not a temporary fad and the supplier actually keeps it in stock. Let's look up a tool set. The seller of the product has over 1000 reviews. I can almost guarantee that other people are dropshipping this right now. To prove it, we copy the title from Amazon, go to eBay and paste it in the search bar. Now look at this array of results. Exact same title, exact same pictures, but the price.
Same, but different, but still same.
Every single person you see here is an Amazon to eBay dropshipper that is making a profit on every sale. And now we are going to spy on them. I like to pick a seller with a massive feedback, like this guy. Now let's click on his store. He has hundreds of active listings, but we do not care what he is listing. Anyone can list an item. What is important is what he is selling. Real quick, before I reveal the ultimate search trick to uncover his exact sales history, take a second and smash that like button. Done? Awesome, let's continue. Here is the secret trick. Go to his store search bar, press spacebar one single time and click enter. This is a loophole in eBay's search engine. It forces the system to pull up his entire catalog, every single item that he has currently listed on his account. But we are not done yet. Scroll down to the left side of the screen. Find Show Only section and check the box that says Sold Items. And boom! The list just filtered from around 1000 items to exactly 328 proven winning products that actual buyers are actively paying for right now. From here, all you do is reverse engineer. You copy the title of his sold eBay item, search back for it on Amazon, make sure brand and pictures match correctly, and you list it in your own store. You literally just copy-pasted a winning, profitable business model. But we can take this one step further. Once you find a proven product, you can use it to create an infinite loop. Copy the title of that sold item and search for it directly on eBay again. And look at the results. Everyone else selling this exact same item is almost certainly another dropshipper. You just found 5 more dropshipping stores. You can go into their accounts, apply the exact same spacebar hack, check their sold items, and find even more winning products. It is a never-ending goldmine. Now, this manual process works extremely well. Once you start listing these proven items, you are going to get sales, a lot of them. But here is the next big bottleneck. When you start scaling and getting 10, 50 or 100 orders a day, fulfilling them becomes a nightmare because of Amazon's tracking numbers. Amazon often uses their own logistics, producing those dreaded TBA tracking numbers, and eBay hates those.
I hate the way you talk to me.
If you upload TBA tracking number, eBay marks it as invalid. Your seller metrics will tank, you will lose cases, and eventually eBay will suspend your account. Manually trying to fix this takes up all your time. If you want to scale safely, you will need to automate your fulfillment. And that is exactly where TrackerBot comes in. TrackerBot automatically grabs those TBA tracking numbers from your Amazon supplier, converts them into valid eBay approved carrier scans like Aqualine, and uploads them directly to your eBay orders in real time. It eliminates all the manual data entry, guarantees you win your item not received cases, and keeps your eBay account 100% safe. There is a 14-day free trial linked in the description below. Set it up now before you get your first defect. Also, make sure to join our free Telegram group where we discuss high-level dropshipping strategies like this every single day. Finding winning products is easy when you stop guessing and start tracking the data. Subscribe for more dropshipping content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.